To find the best egg monthly payment, start by understanding what egg loans are and how they work. Egg loans are personal loans offered by online lenders that provide quick access to funds for various purposes. The monthly payment is calculated based on the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. First, determine your loan amount and repayment term. Consider how much you need to borrow and how long you need to repay the loan. Typically, egg loans offer repayment terms ranging from 3 to 60 months. Next, check the interest rates offered by different lenders. Compare the annual percentage rates, or APRs, which include the interest rate plus any additional fees. Look for lenders that offer competitive APRs and flexible repayment terms. You can use online loan calculators to estimate your monthly payment. These calculators take into account the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term to provide an estimate of your monthly payment. For example, if you borrow $10,000 at an APR of 10% over 36 months, your estimated monthly payment would be around $316. When comparing lenders, consider factors such as fees, credit score requirements, and customer service. Look for lenders that offer transparent terms, no hidden fees, and good customer reviews. To get the best egg monthly payment, prioritize lenders that offer low APRs, flexible repayment terms, and minimal fees. It is essential to evaluate your financial situation and choose a loan that fits your budget and needs. Some popular lenders that offer egg loans with competitive terms include LendingClub, Prosper, and Upstart. These lenders provide online applications, quick funding, and flexible repayment options. In conclusion, finding the best egg monthly payment requires considering factors such as loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. By using online loan calculators, comparing lenders, and prioritizing low APRs and flexible terms, you can find a loan that meets your financial needs and provides an affordable monthly payment. Always evaluate your financial situation and choose a loan that fits your budget to ensure a smooth repayment process.